We're here at Scarborough Art Gallery and we are looking at the app that we produced back in 2020 called Grimshaw in Scarborough, a beautiful augmented reality app that we made for the art gallery to use with their schools workshops. It's since rolled out into a more mainstream app for their general visitors as well. But the app uses incredible augmented reality to bring to life all the paintings that you can see here in the gallery space.
We really wanted to develop this app to bring these pictures to life in our school workshops. Sometimes kids are a little bit harder to engage with older works of art, but I think this has just brought an extra level of engagement to our workshops. So I think it is an added level of excitement. It's definitely something that they don't have in the classroom, and I think coming here teachers have realised that that app isn't just something that's a nice experience and a bit of fun, but it is actually also a really useful tool for learning.
We were fortunate enough as part of this project to work with the community, so me and my colleagues spent time in local primary schools in the Scarborough area where we got to showcase test versions of the app to see their reaction. The app was designed to be used in conjunction with their literacy curriculum, so supporting them to interpret the artwork using their own words and create beautiful poetry. So we really wanted to check whether our augmented reality enhancements of the artwork were really giving them that creative energy and giving some great results.
I think augmented reality particularly really brings the paintings to life because it makes them feel more current. They're very much used to seeing moving images and like pictures where things are actually happening rather than just the still old objects. So I think in terms of applying this to our other collections as well, there's definitely scope to carry on doing that.
We really think this case study provides an excellent use case for augmented reality and how it could be used effectively for art interpretation and digital storytelling. The application of augmented reality to bring elements of artwork to life for perhaps different audiences who can see artwork through a different lens is just fantastic.